Assalamu alaikum, brother. See this. This is my Binance account and this is my XNS account. Today I'm going to show you what is Flash USDT, how to create a Flash USDT, Flash USDT TRC20. In this video, I will give you the payroll knowledge. And first of all, the biggest disclaimer. This is the educational purpose video. Okay, don't get wrong. See this. I will log into my XNS account. Just hold for a while and see this. I have 100K plus USDT right now. And if anybody say I have a Flash coin, you said, bro, okay, place a trade and lose $1,000. Then I believe you have a Flash coin. Because if someone show you a real coin and they want to scam you, no one will lose money for anyone, okay? See this, I place a one trade and I will place a, just hold on, I will place a one trade on gold and see this. $400 in loss, I will close this position and see this, I will close this position. Okay, see this, $281 lose because of trading. And see this. If this coin is real, then why I want to lose this money? Because no one can lose real money in this market for anyone. I hope so you understand. So now come on Binance and see this. This is my Binance, $18 million I have right now in my Binance account. And just hold on. Just hold for a while, sorry. See this. And now I'm going to show you. See this, click on spot. And see this, refresh. Sorry, and refresh again. Okay, now I'm going to show you my transaction history, how much USDT I sell to my customer. Just hold for a while. See this. This is the educational purpose content. See this. Okay, I'll also understand. If anyone want to need, see the description and check my WhatsApp number. Thank you.